This morning we're putting together the Continental foreleg. We've got here the components you receive with it. So it's 4 adjustable feet. We've got a spanner, 2 washers, 2 screws and 2 threaded bars. There's a slightly shorter threaded bar and a longer threaded bar. If we start with the shorter threaded bar, pop a washer on and a screw, just give it a half turn just to keep it there. We do recommend that you put this together with 2 people, it's just a little bit easier. You can do it with 1 as well. So the feet slots underneath the hood. So just finger tighten the screw. Just to keep the legs in place. Turn the base over. Pop the longer threaded bar underneath. Washer on top and screw. Just using the spanner just to tighten that up. We've got the adjustable feet which screw in nice and easy. And there we have Continental foreleg.